Today, you'll learn how to create a basic Streamlit app and deploy it on Koyeb. Streamlit is an open source app framework for building web apps in Python. To complete this tutorial, you'll need a Koyeb account and Python installed on your machine. Are you ready? Let's get into it. First, create a new directory for your project files and open it in the IDE of your choice. In the example Streamlit directory, create a virtual environment for the new project, and then activate and load the environment. Install Streamlit using pip and save your project dependencies to a requirements.txt file. Now, let's get into the code. Create a file called app.py and add this code to it. Here we import Streamlit and time to the project. We add a title and a subheader, as well as a progress bar that uses the time.sleep function to manage its progress for demonstration purposes. Finally, we run the Streamlit balloons function to display some balloons. Let's run the application locally to see it in action. Use the Streamlit run command to start the app and navigate to localhost 8501 to view it. And here we can see our loading bar and our balloons. With our simple app built and tested, we're ready to deploy to Koyeb. You can optionally Dockerize your project and push it as a container to Koyeb. Check out the quick start linked in the description for details on what to include in your Docker file if you choose to go that way. For now, we'll just push our project to a GitHub repository for deployment. First, create a Git repo. Let's stage and commit our project and then push it to GitHub. Add your origin info to the command to push to your repo. To deploy to Koyeb, we can use the Koyeb control panel or the CLI. I'll be showing you the control panel today. Instructions on deploying from the terminal using the CLI are linked in the description. First, click Create Web Service and select GitHub as the deployment option. Choose the GitHub repo and branch for your project, and then select Build Pack as the build option for the repo. Click the override toggle associated with the run command and add this Streamlit command. Now click Deploy and your service is being built and deployed. Let's follow the public URL to view it. And just like before, we get to watch as our app loads some balloons. And that's it. You've built a basic Streamlit application and deployed it on Koyeb. To go further, check out our tutorials for more in-depth Koyeb projects and solutions. Thanks for watching.